The National Center on Improving Literacy has great infographics. If you don't know about this wonderful resource, check it out. There's terrific stuff on it. And especially if you want to talk to a parent or a teacher who's learning the science of reading, there's some great infographics that really make this information digestible. I like this one on fluency, talking about the fact that oral reading fluency does include these 3 parts. And this mention of prosody, the skill of reading aloud with proper intonation, phrasing, and expression, is something I'm going to keep coming back today, because it really does teach us about how important syntax is in building fluency and supporting students' comprehension. Stevens, Walker, and Vaughn in 2017 published a meta-analysis of sorts, synthesizing the research on interventions for students with learning disabilities that are really needed for building reading fluency. And the implications for practice at the end of the article was just basically confirming repeated reading is the most effective intervention for improving reading fluency. But teacher modeling is a very important part of that. So kids who have difficulty with reading fluency have to hear a teacher modeling what it means to read fluently, the prosody, the intonation, all of that is part of it. And if you don't have enough teachers to go around, you have wonderful peers who are at the top of that ladder, right? Who read beautifully, prosodically, fluently, and they can be the role models for the children and the students who need more of that instruction. Also, the students benefit from what we call multi-componential interventions. That means that we're combining repeated reading with vocabulary instruction and comprehension instruction. So we're not doing reading fluency just sort of as a drill and kill kind of phenomenon. We're always going to bring in vocabulary and comprehension. This is a visual that we kind of adapted to put syntax and grammar in the place of what used to be reading fluency here. So syntax and grammar are, in our estimation, the bridge between word reading fluency, reading words accurately and automatically, and text comprehension. Again, because we can work on that prosody element of fluency.